Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Install Ultimate Backup and sign in as an admin so you have full control. Once done, connect or provision at least 1 TB of storage, external USB 3. 0 is faster, and enable encryption to protect data at rest. You're taking these steps now because a secure, ample target prevents failures later. Next, create a named backup plan and choose folders. This first actionable step ensures the system captures your baseline configuration and critical files immediately. You now configure the plan that runs on a schedule you control. Choose full for a complete snapshot or incremental to save space. Retention keeps storage predictable. Make sure to set file filters so temp files are excluded and enable robust open file handling for databases. Also configure bandwidth throttling if the network is shared. Finally, add targets such as S3 or a mapped NAS with credentials. This redundancy prevents single-point failures and speeds restores. Run an immediate test backup and perform a small restore so you confirm the data and checksums match. This proves the pipeline works. Once running, monitor jobs and enable real-time alerts for failed runs or low storage so you can act quickly. If something goes wrong, first check credentials, network reachability, and free space. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, export the job logs and contact support, but retrying after correcting those basics usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.